Hello everyone, welcome back to your physical education class, and in today's class we are going to do some very good balancing exercises. So let's begin with our balancing exercises which you can easily perform at your home. Let's begin. Let's start with our first balancing exercise. So for this, stretch out your arms. Now lift back your right leg and bend forward like this and hold your body posture. Balance your body on your left leg. Now breathe normally. Now come back slowly. Now we'll do it with another leg. Stretch out your arms. Lift back your left leg and bend forward like this. Hold this posture for a few seconds. Balance your body on your right leg. Now relax. Now let's repeat the exercise again. I will show you from the sideways. Stretch out your arms slowly. Now lift back your right leg like this and bend forward. Observe me and balance your body on your left leg. Hold this position for a few seconds. Now come back slowly, relax. Let's do it with another leg. Stretch out your arms slowly. Now lift back our left leg and bend forward. Hold this position on your one leg. Balance your body. Now relax. Our second balancing exercise. To do this exercise, stretch out your arms slowly at your shoulder level. Now stretch out your right leg like this and try to balance your body in this position like this. Stretch out your leg as much as you can and hold this posture. Balance your body. Now come back slowly. Let's do it with another leg. Again, stretch out your arms slowly at your shoulder level. Now stretch out your left leg as much as you can and balance your body on your right leg. Hold this position for a few seconds. Now relax. We'll repeat the exercise again with our right leg. Arms at your shoulder level. Stretch out your right leg. Now hold this position for a few seconds. Try to balance your body on your one leg. Now relax. Let's do it with left leg. Arms straight, shoulder level. Stretch out your left leg. Now balance. Hold your body. Hold this posture. Try to balance your body. Now relax. Let's perform our next exercise, which is one leg jump. So for this, hold your body on your one leg, hands on your waist to balance our body. Let's jump in a circle to your left. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hold your body posture. Balance your body on your one leg. Now jump on reverse direction. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now relax. Relax for 3 to 4 seconds. Now we'll do it with another leg. Left leg. So for this, hands on your waist. Fold your right leg. Balance your body on your left leg. Now to the right, make a circle with jumps. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now balance. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now rest. Relax your body, relax your legs. Then we'll repeat the exercise again. Now we'll perform the same exercise, but this time with both the legs. Hands on your waist. Now with jumps we make a circle. So to the right, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now reverse direction. To the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now relax. Now let's move to our next balancing exercise. Just watch me and follow. What we'll do, open your legs a little bit. Now place your left leg on your right knee. Now bend your knee a little bit. Hands in this position. Now hold this position for a few seconds like this. Breathe normally. Balance your body posture, your body balance on your one leg. Try to do this exercise for a comfortable period of time. Hold this position. Now come back slowly. Relax. Now we'll perform this exercise with our another leg. So straight, stand straight. Now place your right leg on your left knee and bend your left knee a little bit like this, and hands like this. Hold this position. Maintain your body balance. Try to hold this posture 15 to 20 seconds or as much as you can. Now relax. Come back slowly. Now we'll repeat the exercise, but if you find this exercise difficult, so you can perform a variation of this exercise which is called tree pose. So how to do tree pose? Let's keep our right feet on our left knee and join your palms like this, and you can balance your body on this posture. Balance your body, maintain the balance. Breathe normally. Hold this posture for a few seconds. Now relax. If again you find it difficult, this tree pose, you can keep your feet on your ankle and you can balance your body in this posture also. This is for beginners. Hold this position and balance your body. Observe me carefully and then do it. Hold for a few seconds. And while doing this balancing exercise, breathe normally. Now, slowly relax your body and take 5 to 10 seconds rest. Now let's move to our next and the last exercise of today's video, which is very good for stability and balance. So let's do it. First, sit on the floor with your knees. Now, right foot straight in the forward direction like this, and join your palms and lock your fingers. Hands in the forward direction straight, and back should be straight. Hold this position. This is very good exercise for your core. Hold this position and breathe normally. This exercise improves your body posture. Now, relax. Now I'll show you from the sideways also. So, the same, left knee on the floor, right leg in the front like this, straight. Join your palms and lock your fingers. Back should be straight and hands should be in forward direction, straight. Hold this position. Now relax. Let's do it with our another leg. Left leg. So now right knee on the floor like this and left leg. Join your palms and lock your fingers. Hand should be straight. Make sure your back should be straight. Hold this position. Breathe normally. Now I'll show you from the side direction. The same leg, right knee on the floor. Hands like this in this position, straight. Hold it. Keep your back straight. Now relax. Take few seconds rest and then we'll repeat the exercise with our both the legs. Let's repeat the exercise again. Sit on the floor. Right knee on the floor and left leg in this position. Hands forward, lock your fingers. Hands forward at your shoulder level and back straight. Now change your leg. Left knee on the floor. Now hold this position. Keep your back straight. Now relax. Hope you like the video and enjoy these balancing exercise. Stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you so much. Bye bye.